Stop by and take a look at the 2017 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, side and top view cameras, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, rear view camera, heads-up display, heated front seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.